Hi guys, it's been quite a while since I've seen you or you've seen my face. But if you're new here, welcome. I do hope you enjoy my channel, you know, if you've looked through my videos and everything. But I did want to take a moment and just talk about a few things with you today. Life has really been a lot for the past few years. We've had a lot of really hard things happen. We've had a lot of deaths in the family, both actual family members and then also furry family members as well have passed away. So that has been really hard. But I've missed this. I have missed traveling. I have missed filming. I have missed sharing my explorations with you guys. So I'm going to start back again very soon. This will be my first video back in years, so please bear with me if I am a little rusty or anything like that. I do have some big news to share though. We are moving. In a few months, we are moving out of Mississippi. I'm not going to say where yet. That's a surprise for you guys to find out later, but suffice it to say, we are moving a long way from home. Really excited about this next journey in our lives, this next chapter. And I'm really anxious, nervous, of course, but also mostly excited. And I cannot wait to take you guys along with me because I really want to take you guys on that journey with me. And truthfully, I wasn't planning on filming anything today. My bedroom where I'm filming right now is currently a wreck. I've got clothes piled up on the bed behind me. I've got to fold, put away, go through, toss out, sell, just trying to go through everything for this move. And I've been packing a little bit. So things are just kind of moving along at a rapid rate for our move. I just realized like yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, we only have 3 months. 3 months until we move. I have a lot to do. I have a lot to go through to, like I said, donate, sell, toss, pack away. I am doing pretty much all of the packing. Georgia's responsible for her own things, but for everything else, that's my responsibility. So that is what I am planning on doing for the next 3 months. Maybe I'll have a yard sale, who knows. But anyway, so today's video is going to be kind of weird. I know, I do apologize about that. It is my first video back in several years, so it's probably a little rusty. But I am going to include some clips of some things that we've been doing recently in this video, along with some packing clips as well. So it's kind of like a mishmash of our life lately. But I hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for being here so much. And thanks for sticking with me for all these years. See you guys later. Oh my God, Georgia, we're at Buc-ee's for the first time.
No, I'm not. I've been.
Oh my God. You know, it doesn't feel as, it's just louder here, I think, because the space is more open. Banana pudding, cookie dough bites. Is it okay? What's this one? Key lime pie. Ooh, that sounds so good. You need to go to the bathroom? Okay. That's where everybody's heading. Oh my God, I know. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's nice. There's food. They got stuff. I do like a good pulled pork and brisket. That sounds good. There's chicken and fries. As you guys can see, I still have a ton of stuff to pack off of these shelves, plus the books themselves. I've started this tiny little box here. I don't have many boxes, but hopefully we'll get some more soon. But yeah, so, and I have these, again, ignore my bed and my messy floor. The dog tore up one of his toys, so there's fluff everywhere. But I've got these boxes done, working on that box. I have such a long way to go, but I know I'll get it done.